Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to make the most of the Pinterest platform. Let's start by creating your Pinterest profile. You can edit your profile by clicking the saved icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Choose a captivating profile picture that represents your style and interests. You can also add a catchy bio that will make the audience eager to explore your boards. Now, let's talk about the heart of Pinterest, boards. Create boards that reflect your passions and interests, be it travel, cooking, or home decor. Another feature is to add pins. You can edit your pins by categorizing them or even assigning collaborators, making Pinterest a fantastic tool for collaboration. Finally, the Pinterest community. Pinterest is not only a place to discover unique ideas but also to connect with like-minded individuals. Leave thoughtful comments, follow inspiring pinners, and join group boards to foster connections and grow your network. And there you have it, your guide in using Pinterest's simple features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tips. Until next time.